How to see transaction or purchase history on Roblox. Let's get started. Launch your Roblox app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You land to the home page. Now click on the More option given at the bottom right corner. Now navigate to the option settings. Click on the option Payment Methods. Now here you're gonna find all the details of your payments. But you won't find the option to see your purchase history. Within Roblox app, there is no such option to view the purchase history. Instead, what you want to do is close this, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website of Roblox, provide your credentials and log in. After you log in, you will be directed to this page. Now, click on this Robux icon given at the top right. Select the option My Transactions. Now on this page, you're going to find your transaction likewise purchase history on Roblox. So, here you can see that incoming Robux, likewise outgoing Robux. Also, you can click on this drop down and select the date range, likewise summary. So this is how you can easily see transaction or purchase history on Roblox. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.